Hi, this is Vizi Pro3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to clear recent products on Snapchat. Before I get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So let's go. Snapchat keeps a record of everybody you Snapchat to or add in the recent section. However, this record may sometimes be inconvenient to maintain manually if you converse with many people or there's record you don't want a significant other to see. So don't worry, in this video I will show you how to clear your recent products or any reasons on your Snapchat. How to do it? So first, of course, we have to open our Snapchat. Now you can just go to settings by tap on the up left corner here. You can go to settings by tap on the up right corner here. Now you can just scroll down. You can scroll down until on the action account action there is an option like clear cache, clear conversation, clear my AI data, clear search history, clear recent products. For example, we can clear our recent product. You can just tap on that, tap on OK. So the you have successfully cleared search history. So for search history, if you want to clear your AI data too, you can clear it. You can also clear the cache. So it will make your space on Snapchat is will give you more space on your Snapchat apps. So simple, right? So that is how to clear recent products on Snapchat. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.